Welcome to the Spacelab Tools informational video. In this video, we will be looking at the mounting plates found on the Spacelab Tools website. These are ideal for mounting optics on an optical breadboard in non-standard and rotated orientations, as well as for mounting imperial thread items on metric surfaces. First up is the MP01 mounting plate. This mounting plate has dimensions of 2.5 by 2.5 by 1/2 inches to offer a small area for mounting optics when space is limited. It features 1/4-20 tapped holes with 1/2 inch spacing between the centers, and it has a central slot that accepts both 1/4-20 and M6 socket head cap screws. Here we can see one of the mounting plate's features. The large board you see is a 450mm by 600mm by 13mm Spacelab Tools metric breadboard. Normally, a metric mounting plate would be required to mount your optics to this breadboard. However, because of the central slot, we can secure an imperial mounting plate to a metric board using metric screws. If you are using one screw, then you can not only slide it along the breadboard, but you can rotate it as well, offering 2 degrees of freedom to adjust your optics equipment. Next is the MP01C slotted rotary mounting plate. This mounting plate has a 3-inch diameter by 1/2 inch height to offer a small area for mounting optics when space is limited. It features 1/4-20 tapped holes, and it has one central counterbore hole and 2 70-degree mounting slots that accept both 1/4-20 and M6 socket head cap screws. A feature about this mounting plate is that it offers easy rotation to adjust the position of any mounted optic on the plate. If you need to adjust the orientation of your optics, you can simply rotate the plate without having to adjust the position of the rest of your optics. Here we have the mounting plate on our SAB 45 by 60 metric breadboard as shown earlier. This can also be done with an imperial breadboard using imperial screws. Lastly, here we have the MP02 mounting plate. This mounting plate has dimensions of 3 by 5 by 1/2 inches to offer a large area for mounting optics. It features 1/4-20 tapped holes with 1 inch spacing between the centers, and it has a central slot and 2 counterbore holes that accept both 1/4-20 and M6 socket head cap screws. Back on our SAB 45 by 60 metric breadboard, we can see that the larger area allows for more optics equipment to be mounted on the breadboard. Using the central slot allows the user to fine-tune the position of the plate by simply sliding it or rotating it into position, then screwing it into place. The counterbore holes on either side of the central slot offer another method to secure the mounting plate in place. Like before, simply adjust the position of the plate to where there are 2 holes visible, then screw it into place. Thanks for watching the Spacelab Tools informational video. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more informational videos like this, consider subscribing. For more information about these mounting plates and other Spacelab Tool products, visit www.spacelabtools.com. Link is in the description below.